Hello everyone, I am Omar Farouk. Today I am here with you with a new XRP video. There was an Elliott count we made, big A, B and C. This place was important to us. We thought the movement here would continue with a quintet movement. At the moment, a quintuple movement will probably be weak against this volumetric situation. I think the structure here will be a new triple with a new count, a new triple at the exit, and a new triple in the wave that follows. I will now tell you the points that will be important in the movement here and that we should pay attention to. Look, the channel structure here was very important for us. XRP lost this uptrend and I said that the lower band would be the target with the selling pressure from the midpoint. We knew this decline that came up to here. I am thinking of a consolidation for the moment. In the new process we will go through here, I think there is a possibility that these sections, namely $2.30, will be tried again with a rise, a new decline, and a new rise in XRP. With the new sales from here, I see a high probability that the price will break the channel again and move downwards. This is $1.50. If the price gains volume in a very volatile way, it will directly target $2.60, that is this section. The consistency of the movement from here is very important for us. If the price passes these sections in a voluminous way and experiences its accumulation here, we can talk about $3.5 as a new target. But the main direction for me right now is the direction here. This movement is more likely to happen because both Bitcoin and American stock exchanges are facing huge selling pressure in the market. If you say what kind of action we should take here, what kind of price we should examine, my comment will be as follows. Look, the Fibonacci level here is very important for us. Passing the 236 level of Fibonacci will be a reason for us to come directly to $1.5. After the consolidation here, I can say that we will see a big decline in the price, with the price closing below $2 on a weekly basis. The important thing is how long the movement here will take and how long we will wait here in this time process. The time it will take for us to wait for this is approximately 4 to 5 days for me. After this period, I can say that the price will face a little more selling pressure in the coming weeks. Let's see. We have a rising trend. How can we run this rising structure? As you can see, the price took a very big action by breaking above this rising trend. By cloning this, we can find a new place of support. For the moment, it shows us $1.75 with the price coming back again. If the price enters this channel, the $1.50 and $1.40 I just said can be tried. I think the future movement here should be this way. If we experience this decline until here, I think there are places for me to potentially buy an XRP. Now I want to show you Bitcoin briefly, and Bitcoin is very important. Bitcoin tried the middle band again with the support it received from the lower band of the channel for the short term in the falling structure here. With any high volatile movement that may come here, Bitcoin will start its downward movement again if it closes daily under $84,000. But if the price eats a very high pump from here as of today, $89,000 can be a target for us in Bitcoin. I am not looking at the market positively right now because it is still in the negative zone. It needs to come to this region to be positive. If it comes here, yes, for us here, we can think that he got rid of the declining structure and wants to create a new rising structure. If this price stays below $84,000 and $85,000, Bitcoin will come to $82,000 to test the middle band again. In short, this is exactly the direction in Bitcoin that I have seen, and I am constantly examining Bitcoin dominance in videos. Let's see what kind of story will be formed in other subcoins. Look, the level we set in dominance is literally the rises in this section 62.5. If these places are broken with the rise of Bitcoin, big declines in subcoins will be on the table again. If a big pump comes in the price with this high mobility here, the dominance is probably. It comes to 69 level, friends. What is important is what will happen in this section for now. When the movement in this section shows the 63 level, I can say that the dominance can also be the beginning of a big rise. I want to tell you that there is not much of a positive situation in the subcoins for the moment. And now, let's finally look at Tether Dominance. Look, the level I have drawn here is a very important level in the daily, and the dominance is constantly rejected from these sections and shows that it is currently rejected for us. Yes, but we are in the critical zone. The movement here can give Bitcoin time to correct a little bit, and then when it comes here again, it will break very hard, friends. In other words, I can talk about 8 targets by looking at the analysis of USDT dominance in the market cap, unless the $88,000 in Bitcoin is important for us, unless there is a weekly closing above there. If this place comes, there will be a very big problem in the market, and I think it will probably come. Thank you all very much for listening to me. Take care of yourself very well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. Have a good day.